Hey everybody, in this video we are writing the rational expression you see on your screen right now in lowest terms. I went into a little more detail in example 2a, so if you need a further explanation, go check there. But we're going to go ahead and factor. Now, you factor and we cross out any corresponding matching factors from top and bottom. The bottom, it stands out to me as the difference of two squares, so I know I'll have x plus 2 and x minus 2. Also, since this falls under the directions asking us to write it in lowest terms, I know I'm going to be able to reduce. That means that either x plus 2 or x minus 2 is going to be a factor of the numerator. Now, the way it's written right now, if I simply factor out a 3, I'll be left with 2 minus x, which looks close, but it's not perfect. And if you try to cross out 2 minus x and 2 plus x, you are lying. So what can we do to make it better? Well, we be smarter. That's what we be. So I'm going to start off by reversing this just to make it easier for some people to see. Some of you will do these steps in your head. So negative 3x plus 6, and instead of factoring out a 3, I'm going to factor out negative 3. That leaves me with that x minus 2. And I have the x plus 2 and x minus 2 both in my denominator. Now, before I start crossing things out and getting all wild, I'm going to go ahead and write down some restrictions. Based on my denominator, x cannot equal, from here, x cannot equal negative 2. And from that second factor, x cannot equal 2. Even if we cross these things out, one of them, both of them, whatever. Those are still restrictions. Just because I can't see your peanut allergy doesn't mean I should give you peanuts. So just because I crossed it out, it was still part of the original problem, but we're simplifying it as usually a means to locating the removable discontinuity, finding a limit, graphing something, whatever it might be. There's a reason why we do this, and it's just a means to an end, okay? So now we can go ahead and reduce the common factor of x minus 2 from our numerator and denominator because anything divided by itself except 0 over 0 is 1. Then our final answer is left with negative 3 over x plus 2. And with those restrictions on the side, good practice to always write those down. If you try to write down or cross out x plus, x minus 2 and 2 minus x, uh, with those binomials written that way, if you wanted to remember that that reduces to not 1 but negative 1, then I guess you don't have to turn it around, but don't mess up. That's all I'm gonna say about that. There should be a playlist on the screen with more videos on rational expressions, so feel free to check that out if you need more practice or more from this particular set. And give a thumbs up if you get it, got it good. Thumbs down if you don't get it, don't got it, and you're not good. Questions, comments, concerns, feedback in the comments below. Adios.